Some of the coolest beans I've ever grown. We have this one. It's growing upwards. Small magnets. Fibonacci. One seed. One plant. Some of the coolest beans I've ever grown. Almost forgot to mention this rock. I don't even remember what kind of rock it is, but next to the Fibonacci, this metal magnetized with magnets on the southern end. Looks like this bean plant is loving it. One of the coolest beans species anyway that I've ever grown. Yeah, I did mention that I may spray it with neem oil. I know in this case I just did a foliar feed the other day, and I kind of allowed the bugs to attack certain plants and not others. Since I have tomatoes going, I'm hoping they don't go for the tomatoes, any kind of pests that may be around. Most likely what we have is these beetles from Japan. They come around and munch on things. I have caught them munching on this plant, this bean. Almost the size of royal cubit as far as the height that it grew. Again, this is one seed, this cool bean. We have it vining over here. It grew pretty wide. Again, this one's just in a fabric pot, growing with this tomato, with this electroculture antenna. Yeah, thank you for joining me today. Happy gardening. Steve-O, Magneto, Electroculture.